Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys vivo phone setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you change your Bluetooth device name in your vivo phone. Guys, you want to change guys your Bluetooth device name, so guys you can change your Bluetooth device name. And guys, how to change Bluetooth device name in this video guys, I will show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change Bluetooth device name. Then guys, you can see your third option Bluetooth and devices. So guys, tap here. Guys, click on Bluetooth setting, and guys, first of all guys, you will have to on your Bluetooth to change your Bluetooth device name. So it's on here, and as you can see Bluetooth device name is vivo, so guys, we will change into mobile vivo. And guys, rename, tap here, and guys, come back. So as you can see guys, your Bluetooth device name has changed like that guys. Example for guys, I told you guys, but guys, you can change yourself. So are you friends, you have understood how to change Bluetooth device name in a vivo phone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So it's now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video. Bye bye.